No, you don't like that? What do you expect? Just getting that gross stringiness, like that stringy texture of ground beef. Just changing it. It looks more appetizing. And it also mixes the salt and the pepper and the olive oil. Classico bolognese. I have some tomatoes that I need to use up. I'm gonna grate a bunch of parm. Just give this way more flavor. Ooh. Smell this cheese. Ooh, baby. That cheese is going to give our sauce way more flavor. We're taking basic bitch to super delicious and awesome. Oh, almost forgot. I'm gonna make this spicy. Open them up so that the sauce can just absorb its flavors and get some of that heat in there. Don't want to rub your eyes after this. Zero finesse. Whatever. That's enough there. Nice sun-dried tomatoes. Hey, buddy. Oh. Ready? Catch. Got some of that green pepper in there. Hey, buddy. Sun-dried tomatoes. Parm. A little more fresh ground pepper on that. Oh, that's how I get my greens. Just top it with tons of arugula.